everybody, how are you doing? And I have been gone for a hot minute, haven't I? Well, you know, we got a new puppy and she has been consuming my time. And that's okay, but I need to get back and get some of my DIYs done. I am going to be doing a Dollar Tree Mackenzie child inspired 2-tier tray. And what you're going to need is your plates from Dollar Tree, and I got a salad plate and a dinner plate and one of their candle holders, okay? Then quite a while ago, almost a year ago now, I guess it is, I ordered some of the Mackenzie child napkins, and I also ordered Mackenzie child tissue paper because I didn't know which one I wanted. Now these squares are littler than these, okay? I wished they had something even smaller, but so far as I know, they don't. So you can use that. Now, if you don't want to get these, you can go to Hobby Lobby, and this is what I've used so far on my DIYs. And I know these probably look familiar from Easter and Christmas and so on. The real white and black. If you notice, look at the difference. You see how it's much more creamy with this particular Mackenzie child napkin opposed to the Hobby Lobby paper. But you're going to get the same look if you don't want to order anything, and you can get these when they're on sale for $1. Totally up to you. And they also have the Harlequin at Hobby Lobby. I don't have a piece of that right now to show you, but if you go back in my videos for Easter and Christmas, you'll see where I used these particular papers a lot. So enjoy the process, and I will be back at the very end of this video. Okay, I'm back and now we're going to put it together. So here they are, and I went ahead with the 2-ply, which I'm fine with. I like the way it looks. And you saw me put the gold around the rim with the gold paint pen. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and use some of the E6000, but I'm going to also use hot glue so I can just get it on there now, and then the E6000 will take longer to dry, but it'll give it a good hold. Okay guys, there it is. There is your Mackenzie Child 2-tier tray. And I will bring you down in a minute to see it closer. Okay guys, and here it is. I do like it, and I will be able to use it with a lot of my fall. I'm going to put a few pieces of faux food right now and we'll see what it looks like. I really like the way this turned out, and it will be a lot of fun decorating with this. This is going to work out perfectly for fall. Do you see what I mean? The difference in the color of the real stark black and white that I did for Christmas opposed to this one, and you can tell the different colors in it. See how they've done the brush marks of the green, and I think it looks a little bit like a peach, but it really is kind of a gold and a lavender. And then here's some of the faux cakes that I made with my bee theme last year, which you'll see these again shortly. But yep, I really, really like this. Guys, until we get together again, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. There's only one you, and you bring something to this world nobody else can. Talk to you soon.